In this video, I'm going to try solid cream gel polish by Modelones. I already tried this product and this collection is color changing. It changes its color depending on the temperature. And also I will show you a super easy way to do marble using gels. Coming up. Hello guys, this is Anastasia. Let's do unpacking. It's called Color Cube, which is the kit of solid cream gel polishes. It looks like a small eyeshadow palette. Let's open it up. This part is always so satisfying and we can see 9 beautiful colors. 6 of them are glitter and 3 are regular colors. To mix every cocktail is the name of the collection and the brush is included in each kit. Now let's try the colors. I already tried solid cream gel polish by Modelones. I will leave the link to this video. And this is my second kit by them because I really wanted to have the one that's changing its color. As I apply the color, we can already see that it is getting lighter because it's pretty warm in the room that I'm working now. So I really cannot wait to see how they're going to change. I love glitter combinations they created here. Let's say red with silver is not a standard one, right? Usually we have red and then it's gold. Or dark purple with silver glitter is also looks kind of cool. Every color is slightly transparent. You can see it because I'm using clear tips. So if you're looking for a very intense and good coverage, then you will need to use 2 coats. Well, maybe except for this color. This one is really intense. And then we have 3 regular colors without the glitter. This milk chocolate color looks pretty good, even with just 1 coat. And then we have another one. This one is so pretty, but I think 1 coat will not be enough. It's still transparent. Maybe this is the idea of this color, that it's supposed to be jelly, but if you want to have a good coverage, you will definitely need more coats. Wow, this one is pretty. I wonder what it's gonna look like when we change the temperature. The fastest way to see it is to use ice cold water or boiling water, and wow, we can see how it's creating an ombre. If you will be using color changing gel polishes on long nails, most of the time you will see an ombre, because the part that will be located on the nail bed is closer to the body, so it will be warm most of the time, while the free edge will be colder. And also when you will be washing your hands, you will see this immediate change of the color. I remember when I used to have the set with color changing colors, I just couldn't stop playing with them in the water like all the time. Wow, this one changes dramatically. It will be so hard to pick the color we're going to use for today extensions because they all look so good. Well, this one will be great for Halloween or fall season, and now we're looking for something more of the summertime. Blue changes into dark purple. Okay, I think we tried all colors for now, but I just couldn't stop playing. I think I'm going to use one of these colors today. Let's take a look on the entire collection. So on the top you can see the hot version and on the bottom is the cold one. Actually, this is not their coldest state because it was kind of hard to keep them that way because it was warm in my room. Let's do the nails now. This is my model for today. She used to have gel extensions and now it is time to take them off. She has some crystals on her nails and normally I take them off with some old nippers. But I do not have any old nippers with me, which means I will need to look for alternatives. So I think I will be using my cardboard bit. Luckily, there's not that many crystals and we will be able to take them off. I'm going to take off the gel polish that we have on top. I'm taking off the gel as well. But on the nails where we do not have any lifting or problems, I'm not going to take it all the way down. I get this question a lot, like, Anastasia, how can you leave the product on the nail? Is it safe if you're going to do a different kind of extensions? Yes. We will be doing soft gel extensions now, and you will see that on some nails gel will still be there. This is how I do crystals removal, just the same speed that I use for product removal, which is 25,000 rotations per minute. Make sure you're using protective eyewear to not accidentally hurt your eyes. I'm filing the product more from the top because we only need a thin layer of the gel remaining. If you see the change in color, let's say it's yellow or gray, or it just looks suspicious, or if you have product lifting, then you will need to take off this product completely. Let's say on this thumbnail, we still have some gel on and it will stay there. Then I proceed to the prep. I pushed back the cuticles with orange wood stick, and then we are doing dry manicure. This is flame bead. The speed is 18,000 rotations per minute. Let's continue. Then we do standard preparation for extensions. First, we're going to apply dehydrator. We have some nails with the gel on, and it's not a problem if you will apply dehydrator on top. It's not going to change anything, but normally we need it only for adhesion of the product and natural nail. The same thing for non-acid primer. Just do not waste product, apply it only on the nail. Next step is very important, applying base coat. I'm using the one by Modelones. I noticed that many nail technicians are not paying attention to this part because it's very easy. They say that what can go wrong when you just apply a base coat? But it's quite important to not touch the skin even a little bit near the cuticle or along the sidewalls. It is even better if you leave a little margin. Our time is a bit limited today, so we decided to do soft gel extensions. And the prep is very similar whether you are doing hard gel extensions or poly gel extensions. Then we need to cure it for 30 seconds in LED. Taking off sticky layer is optional. You do not have to do it, but I prefer to do it because for me it's just more comfortable to apply soft gel tips. And we decided to do long coffin shape this time. Cure for 1 minute in LED and nails are ready. We don't really need to do any shaping or filing. I will just slightly file the free edge so we will get rid of this plastic part, and then we can apply the color. As you can tell, it was super hard to choose the color that we want. We decided to choose two colors. One will be glitter and another one will be gray. Well, now it is pink. You can already see that. So as I pick up the color, it's gray, but when I apply it on the nail, it turns immediately into pink. Cure in LED for 1 minute, and now we're going to do the design. You will need a regular cold water and a drop of black gel polish. I'm using regular gel polish by Modelones and a drop of acetone on top. And this is how we get gel marble. Then we dip the nail inside, and this is how we get this beautiful marble. Do not worry about the excess water. You can carefully clean it after curing. But keep in mind that this is gel, so after doing this, we need to cure it. And also be careful because it might get on the skin a little bit, so you can use whether a special protective cuticle defender or just be careful and do not touch anything with your skin, which is possible too, by the way. I didn't like the pattern that it turned out on this nail. There's like too much black, so I decided to clean it with alcohol and create some kind of the French nail. And on this nail, I really want just a tiny bit of marble and nothing else. Alright, then we cure it for 30 seconds in LED and seal everything with a glossy top coat. Now we have some glitter nails and some regular nails. Cure in LED once again for 30 seconds and the design is ready. So it is going to look different all the time. Most of the time it is going to look like this, like an ombre. When it will be cold, most nails will be gray, so you can hardly see these marbles. But when it's warm, they will be pink and you can clearly see all the marbles. Let me guys know what do you think. Modelones are having a big anniversary sale. I will leave all the links to the products below as usual. So if you were considering trying their products, now might be the best time because they really have a great discounts. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new tutorials and product reviews just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye.